Hello everyone, welcome to the Pi Decoders. Today in this video, we will do class 8 exercise 11.4 of NCERT. Question number 2. Diameter of a cylinder A is 7 cm and its height is 14 cm. Diameter of cylinder B is 14 cm and its height is 7 cm. So without doing actual calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Volume बच्चे volume is pi r square h. So if radius is greater, then we have to find its square root. It will be more. So whose radius is greater means cylinder B is having greater volume. So B has greater volume. Now they are saying we have to verify whose volume is greater. So first we will find our volume of A. Whose R is 7 by 2 centimeter. Height is 14 centimeter. So volume we will find 22 by 7. Radius 7 by 2. Square means 7 by 2. 2 times we will write. Then height 11 into 49. So answer will be 539 centimeter cube. Now we have to find volume of B. Pi r square h. In this r is equal to 14 by 2. We can say 7 centimeter. Height is equal to 7 centimeter. So volume will be 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. We will cut this. Now 49 into 22. Its answer will be 1078 centimeter cube. So we have written here by estimation also that B has greater volume. By solution also we have verified that volume of B is greater. Now after this what they have asked, they are saying check whether the cylinder with the greater volume has greater surface area. So for this we have to find both TSA also. So TSA of A, formula of TSA 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2. Here 7 by 2 plus 14. 22 into 7 plus 28, it is 22 into 35 by 2. Then TSA will be 385 centimeter square. Then TSA of B 2 into 22 by 7. R of B is 7. Then height is also 7. So R plus H, 7 plus 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 14. We will cut this and answer we will get 616 centimeter square. So yes, TSA of B is also greater, whose volume is greater, that's TSA is also greater. Question number 3. Find height of cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So what is volume of cuboid? L into B into H. Now बच्चे we know L into B, that is area of base. So we can say this formula, base area into height, and volume it is given in our question, that is 900. Base area is given 180. 180 into height is equal to 900. Then height is equal to 900 divided by 180, 5 centimeter. So this is our answer. Question 4. A cuboid is of dimensions 60 centimeter, 54 centimeter and 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? See, but it is a very simple question. If we are having a big box and we have to keep small box inside that box, so we will fill that inside one full part, means volume we will fill. So first we will find volume of cuboid, then we will find volume of cube, and then we will divide. Dimensions are 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. So if we will find volume of cuboid, this is LBH. So we have to multiply 60 into 54 into 30. Then side of cube, 6 centimeter. Again its volume. Side cube, or you can say 6 into 6 into 6. So instead of doing separate calculation, we will directly divide volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube. We will get number of cube . 60 into 54 into 30, when we divide 6 into 6 into 6, we will cut it. 9 5 is 45 into 10, 450 cubes is our answer. Question 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. So volume is given 1.54 meter cube. Diameter is given 140 centimeter. So radius we can find diameter divided by 2. 140 divided by 2, it is 70 centimeter. But to solve a question, it is required that their unit should be same. It is meter, it is centimeter. So how we will convert this in centimeter? 1.54 मीटर क्यूब. 1 मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करने के लिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ मीटर क्यूब है, सो 3 टाइम वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 100, 100 and 100. What answer will come? 154 and 40. This is centimeter cube. So height we have to find. Shape is cylindrical shape. Volume of cylinder. Pi r square h. 22 by 7 into 70 into 70 into height is equal to 154,0000. Height we have to find 154,0000 into 7, downside 22 into 70 into 70, 0 will cut, 7 will cut, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 7 2 ja 22 1 ja, this is 100. So what is height? Height is 100 centimeter, or we can say height is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So this is your question 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder and whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Length means height of the tank is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So what is quantity? How we can find? First we have to find volume of tank. Volume is in cylindrical form, so pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7, r is 1.5 into 1.5, height is 7, we will cut 7, 22 into 1.5 square is 2.25. When you will multiply, you will get 49.50 meter cube. Beta, this is volume. We have to find quantity in liters. Liter means we have to find its capacity. For that, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 49.50 meter cube is equal to, multiply it by 1000. Then you will get 49500 liter. This is your answer. Question 7. If each edge of a cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase? And how many times will its volume increase? So, if one edge is equal to x, then increased edge is 2x, because they are saying it is double. Now its surface area (6) into side square. With first it is 6x square, then increased TSA 6 into 2x square. 6 into 2x square is equal to 4x square, that is 24x square. So what is ratio? What is their increase? 6x square ratio 24x square, it will be 1:4. So what is increase in surface area? New surface area is 4 times increased. Now same for volume we will do. Volume first will be x cube. Volume second will be 2x cube, that is 2 cube 8x cube. So ratio x cube ratio 8x cube 1:8. So volume will be 8 times increase. Then surface area is increased 4 times and volume is increased 8 times. Question 8. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So volume of cuboidal reservoir is given 108 meter cube. So to find its time, we have to change it in capacity. We will convert it into liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So it is liter. Now we have to find how much time it will take. To find time, we will divide that speed, rate of water, 60 liter per minute. To find time, we will divide volume of reservoir divided by rate 108,000. We will divide by 60. 0 will cut. It will divide by 1800. So 1800 minute. To convert it in hours, we will divide again it by 60. It will equal to 3 hours. So this is your answer. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe the channel.